Hi, Kelly's Kitchen. My name is Susannah Scaroni. I'm a registered dietitian as well as a Paralympic wheelchair racer. I'm excited to be with you today, and I would like to share a little bit about nutrients. You may have heard the term nutrients, and so today I just kind of want to walk you through what they are, why they're important, and where we find them. So nutrients are substances or ingredients that do three things. They can either promote growth, provide energy, or maintain life. Many nutrients do all three, and some just are more important in some of those areas. So we'll kind of break those down now. And when it comes to promoting growth, providing energy, maintaining life, we have different groups of nutrients. And actually, the term called macronutrients does all three of those things. And macronutrients are things like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. So I'll kind of walk you through what food sources those are. Carbohydrates are things like grains, starches, which are like potatoes, rices, pastas, fruits, vegetables, and dairy. Those are the carbohydrates. When it comes to the protein macronutrient food group, we have things like meat, fish, eggs, yogurt, cheese, dairy, soy, legumes, so beans, whole grains, and then some supplements, things like whey or casein or pea protein supplements. Those are the foods that we get protein from. And the third macronutrient category are fats. So fats come from things like oils, butter, constituents of animal products, so things like eggs, meat, fish, dairy, all have some fat in them as well. And then nuts, seeds, and soybeans as well. So those are the macronutrients. Again, all of those foods are very important to our body for promoting growth, providing energy, and maintaining life. Another set of nutrients we call micronutrients. And they're micro, not in that they're not as important as macronutrients, just that we need such small amounts of them that we term them micronutrients. And these are things like vitamins and minerals. And when it comes to vitamins, there's kind of two categories of vitamins that we talk about. Those are the fat-soluble vitamins, which are vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as the water-soluble vitamins, which are the group of B vitamins, as well as vitamin C. And when it comes to minerals, these are going to be things like sodium, potassium, iron, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, molybdenum, and manganese. And these macronutrients are really important for one, maintaining life, two, allowing us to use energy and to break down energy from the macronutrient group that we just talked about, as well as promoting growth. So very important type of nutrient. Another nutrient I want to talk about is water. Water accounts for over half of our body constituents, and on average, we turn over about 4% daily, which is highly variable person to person, but does show that we're utilizing a lot of water to maintain our life. So very important. And also to note, we don't just get water from pure drinking water. Our water can come from fruits, vegetables, milk type products, juices, coffee, and tea as well. And finally, I want to talk about another type of nutrient, which are electrolytes. Electrolytes are the minerals that contain an electric charge, which is very important. They help us to contract our muscles so we can move our skeletal muscle with the use of electrolytes, as well as providing a regulatory factor for fluid balance, so keeping our body's fluids regulated. These are things like sodium, potassium, calcium, and chloride. So I hope this was helpful to kind of give you an overview of what nutrients are, where we find them, and why they're important. Thank you.